Have you ever sat in front of your computer thinking, what should I post on Facebook today? Here's the surprising truth. Your next 100 Facebook posts are probably hiding in conversations you've already had with your customers. Once you know where to look, you'll never run out of Facebook post ideas again. A few years ago, I was talking with a gentleman at a local farmer's market. He told me I'd post more on Facebook if I just knew what to say. So I asked him one simple question. What do your customers ask you every week? He paused, then smiled. The same questions every single week. Exactly. That's where great content begins. Most business owners think they need a new creative idea every day. You don't. You simply need to pay attention. Every question a customer asks is another opportunity to help dozens of other people who have the exact same question. Instead of answering it once, answer it publicly. Now you've helped everyone. Here's one habit that can completely change your marketing. Keep a small notebook or use the Notes app on your phone. Every time someone asks a question, write it down. Questions like, how long does shipping take? Do I need an appointment? Which option is best for beginners? By the end of the month, you'll have dozens of Facebook post ideas waiting for you. Let's say someone asks, how do I start an email list? Most people answer that question once, then move on. But smart marketers break it into smaller lessons. One post about choosing an email service, another about creating a sign-up form, another about writing a welcome email, another about growing subscribers, and another about common beginner mistakes. One simple question, 5 valuable Facebook posts. People don't just buy products. They buy from people they trust. Show what happens behind the scenes. Preparing for your day. Packing customer orders. Learning something new. Those simple moments make your business feel real. Instead of constantly selling, start telling stories. Share how a customer solved a problem. Celebrate a small win. Talk about a lesson you learned. People may forget your advertisements, but they'll remember your stories. Here's your challenge. Write down the next 10 questions your customers ask you. Don't answer them privately. Turn each one into a Facebook post. You'll be surprised how quickly one conversation becomes months of valuable content. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. And in the next video, I'll show you how to turn one blog post into 10 different pieces of content, so you can save time while reaching more people. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.